Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're tired of pet hair, dust, and dirt taking over your home, the Shark Navigator Lift-Away ADV Upright Vacuum is a fantastic cleaning solution. It's powerful, lightweight, and designed to clean both carpets and hard floors with ease. One of its best features is the lift-away technology, allowing you to detach the canister and easily clean stairs, furniture, and hard-to-reach areas. If you have pets, you'll love its powerful pet hair pickup, which removes embedded hair from carpets, upholstery, and floors without hassle. The HEPA filtration system helps trap dust and allergens inside the vacuum, making it a great choice for allergy sufferers and pet owners. Plus, the advanced swivel steering makes it easy to maneuver around furniture and tight corners. Despite its powerful suction, the vacuum remains lightweight, making everyday cleaning much easier. Whether you're cleaning hardwood floors, tiles, rugs, or carpets, it delivers impressive performance throughout your home. The only downside is that the corded design requires you to plug into different outlets while cleaning larger spaces. Overall, if you want a reliable vacuum with strong suction, excellent pet hair removal, HEPA filtration, and versatile lift-away cleaning, the Shark Navigator Lift-Away ADV is an outstanding choice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product reviews.